And basically, I got this. I have to take the whole box and like just shake it like that. So today I am bringing you guys a Wilko and Poundstrecher haul. I got a couple of things in there, and yeah, I thought I'd share because yeah, some of the stuff are really, I'd say some interesting stuff, maybe, depending on you. Let's start off with Wilko. Wilko, I didn't get a lot of things. I was intending on getting more things in Wilko, and they stopped ended up being sold out, and then like they ended up moving it to a different part of the store, and then I resaw it, but then the stuff that I wanted to get, I couldn't see it with the other stuff. It sounds weird. Basically, anyways, that's the thing I got from Wilko, which is really interesting. It's this Wilko original white vinegar, basically cleaning spray. Like this was, I believe it was £1 or £1.50. It was definitely not £2. Okay, it was definitely not £2. It was somewhere around £1 and £1.50. And when I saw it, I was like, well, okay, definitely smells like vinegar. I've tried it out. Works fine. Works fine. Just yeah, vinegar smell, it fades after a while. But this is really good if you're someone who you don't like chemicals. Like when you're using products, you don't want to use a lot of chemicals, and I know a lot of people are doing the whole less chemicals in our cleaning products type of stuff. So yeah, it basically says safe to use all around the house with no nasty toxic chemicals or fumes, perfect for cleaning glass. I'm going to try it out even more on glass because I used it, then I stopped using it because I was like, okay, you're going to use all of it. And then you're going to be hauling. This is what I got, but it's technically finished type of haul. But yeah, there's still like, I think there's that much in there. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this. But the vinegar smell, I don't actually mind because it fades basically. It fades afterwards. Next, I got these. These were £1, and basically you can get the bigger versions of this. You're being very quiet. Oh, you're enjoying both. The little ones. It's so quiet. Basically these colourful lids, you can get this size one, and you can get the bigger size ones. The bigger size ones, I think they're about £3 or £4. This was £1, and yeah, I got these because like trying to pick up really healthy habits. And one of healthy habits is we love sardines. Sardines, I think it's full of omega-3, right? It's got omega-3 in it, right? How sardines is healthy? I heard that somewhere. Like sometimes when we eat sardines, we don't eat the whole like tin. We don't eat the whole tin. So it's like, where are we gonna store it? And I'm sick and tired of just finding a plate. It gets in clean foil. Plates have been broken, so there's less plates. And then if the sardines are holding up plates that we need to eat dinner, do you understand my dilemma? I was seeing this in Wilko, and I was like, the other day I thought of it, I was like, I need those storage containers, I'm gonna go back for them. And I went back for them. By the time I went back for them, they were all gone. Seriously, this was the last one left. And I came back like about a week later, and there was a ton of them in a section, £1. I was like, gosh, when you actually go out and get something, it's all gone. It's like a struggle. You're walking all around the store. Where is it? Where is it? It was there. It was there. It was there. Moving on to Poundstrecher. In Poundstrecher, I found these because I love Poundstrecher. They just have so many unique stuff. Basically, I found these robot bowls. Like cereal bowls, like cereal porridge bowls. And basically, I got this box fell on the floor. Basically, I got this red one. Seriously, it's a robot bowl. I got this red one, £1 for one. I got this red one, and then I've got a blue one. The red one was the last one. I think the red one was the last one there. And then I've got the blue one. See? Red and blue, seriously, robot bowls. And like, yeah, and like I saw this. Reason why I got this, because originally, prior to seeing these bowls, I saw from the exact same brand a robot money box. And then like I went to the kitchen section, I saw robot bowls. And yeah, so I got this robot money box because my son, my son saw it and he was like, yeah, I want it. Also because it's Christmas time really soon. I'm getting all the kids, well, all 3 of my oldest kids, money boxes, because I feel like for Christmas I want them to save money for whatever they want to get. So they're going to save money, and then I'm going to take them out Christmas shopping at like Smithy's toy store, wherever they decide they want to spend their money, and they get a gift for themselves. I personally this year don't want to get the kids any gifts. I might not. I just, last year I bought them gifts and then they ended up not liking it. No, I feel like, no, my daughter was fine. She used all her gifts. My oldest, like, he asked me for stuff, but then he ended up not even using them. And I was like, have I done something wrong? Like, seriously. I bought my son like a kitchen toy. He hardly plays with it. He's obsessed with cars, which is fine. And like, so my youngest, who's 3, he's the one I bought the kitchen toy for. He's fine. He's just obsessed with cars. And like, I understand for Christmas, get him cars. I feel like the boys didn't really appreciate much of their gifts. So I thought, why not? Because I saw it with another YouTuber. Why not make them save up money until Christmas? Put some money every week. We're introducing pocket money to them anyways. Put some money every week for Christmas, and then by the time we get to Christmas, we go to those monoblacks, those money machines, and then whatever they've saved up, they go and spend in the store, and they've got a Christmas gift for themselves. And like, I feel like that way they appreciate more, because it's like, I've worked hard, I've saved up, and all of that thing. Because I just felt like they didn't want to play with their gifts. And it kind of made me feel like I wasted some of my money. It was like, they're so ungrateful. I was going out and buying you guys gifts. I was hiding the gifts. Like, when I say hiding, you could go back to my vlogs. I was going to Smithy's toy store, and like, I would be hiding gifts inside bin bags. I'd be walking inside the house holding a bin bag. You don't walk inside the house holding bin bags. You walk out with the bin bag, not inside the house. You went out without a bin bag and then you walk in with a bin bag. That's not right. So I feel like, you know what, they're gonna save money, take them to whichever store they want to go to. And yeah, I know my other son, he wants Ryan toys, so he can save up for that. And also, I feel like it's going to be really, really nice as well, because I feel like I'm going to vlog it. Like, I'm going to vlog them going shopping and spending like their Christmas money and stuff. So, spending the money they've saved up for Christmas. So yeah. The last 2 things I got were banana shampoo. I know, it sounds so weird. £1 in Poundstrecher. Bananas, they've even got banana conditioner. Oh, I picked up like just a random vase. This was £1 and I want to use it for the living room dining table, because we don't have a centerpiece anymore. The centerpiece got broken. It was a pretty centerpiece as well. Yeah, I forgot I had this, but yeah, lastly I got these 3 pack of scoops. These scoops I got because I want to use one for rice, one for washing powder, and one for the semolina. Yeah, £1. Seriously, I feel like they'd be so perfect, because like, I don't have any scoops to use with like the washing powder and with the rice. Like, I'm just like, with the rice I have to take the whole jar and just like put it around the rice cooker when the water's boiled. And with the washing powder, it's like I have to take the whole box and like just shake it like that. And this is just like perfect. And sometimes the washing powder, when you put it into the washing machine, like that thing you put the powder in, like sometimes the powder falls on the floor. So with like this scoops, it's like you save a bit of powder. So yeah, that was my Poundstrecher and my Wilko haul, you guys. Next week, because I'm filming a video tomorrow, I'll come back next week, because next week's going to be a HomeSense video. I picked up some bargains from HomeSense, from Argos, and H&M. Yeah, I went to H&M as well. So come back for that video. Don't forget to check out all the previous videos. Not subscribe, and seriously like the video, because it seriously helps me out. So take care of yourselves, guys. Bye.